activity, that is hello frame layout.class. Now we will come for our best practices for efficient user interface. As shown in the previous program, I would like to recommend that please don't block UI thread. Use handler to avoid expensive operation in UI thread. Manually threads are error prone, so you can use asynchronous task to take care of thread management. This class allows you to perform background operations and publish results on the UI thread without having to manipulate threads or handlers. So there is a small snippet. It's like you can just extend the asynchronous task class, and then we have a do in background method, and you can just do all the processing background and publish the results. Another recommendation is please do p-scaling of bitmap instead of runtime scaling when required. A small code snippet is like you can just rescale an original image to size of view using bilinear filtering for better results. So you can just create a bitmap.create scale bitmap and use get width and get height properties to do p-scaling. We have done an example of list view, so you can also create efficient adapters for list view. So how to create an efficient adapter for list view? For that you can use a simple view holder class. So this we can study in this efficient adapter. So you can see that to work efficiently the adapter, we have used two techniques. We first use the convert view to pass get view to avoid inflating view whenever it's not necessary. Secondly, we use view holder pattern to avoid calling find view by ID when it's not necessary. The view holder pattern consists of storing a data structure in the tag of view returned by get view. This data structure contains reference to the views we want to bind data to, thus avoiding calls to find view by ID every time get view is invoked. So what we have done, that we have defined a view holder class, and in this view holder class we are just inflating the layout, and we are defining the parameters like this. You can see that there is a static class called view holder. The standing class is a static class, is a view holder, this text view and image view. Then we are using a holder, and just to set the tag of holder to that convert view, and we bind our data efficiently with the holder. With the help of this technique, you can improve your program performance, and this is one of the major practices to improve your program dynamics. Another recommendation is to use compound variables. So you can see like I have defined a linear layout in a vertical format, and we have an image view and text view, and I can convert the same program in this way by using a drawable left property in text view. So with the help of this we can remove this component and image view component, and with the help of this your performance of program will increase. So what I will suggest that try to use less components, and also try to use less layout structures, so it will improve the performance of your UI.